Hi, my name is John McDougall. I'm the property manager for Riverstone in Naples. Riverstone's unique because we have 12 lakes. We also have preserves that are from one side of the community to the other, but also in between the houses as well. So it kind of leads a challenge for us. So when I started back in last April, one of the first things I looked at was the preserves, and to kind of get more understanding of exotics, I started to read stuff on Google, and then I brought in Sonny from Mettauer, and literally we did an inspection of part of the preserves, and Sonny said he'd never seen exotics that were that large. We knew that they were out of control. We had exotics that were literally on vines that were 30 feet tall, constricting the trees. So that was a major problem. So to do the bid process for Riverstone, we had 2 or 3 companies that we were looking at, but then we actually did interviews with Sonny and the other company as well for them to come in and basically do like a town hall where the residents could ask questions, the board members could ask questions, and then Sonny could tell us what's going on and explain everything for what are Mettauer's procedures for it. One of the things that really sold us was their Littorals for Life program. We're right in the middle of a lake bank erosion project, so the ability to get littorals into the ground with someone who's maintaining our lakes and get that warranty that they would, not have to be replanted or repurchased every few months was something that we really loved. So the board elected to go with Mettauer. We now get monthly reports from them for our lakes that show us algae or show us the wildlife, and the reports are 8 to 10 pages that have really detailed information on it. Prior, I used to just get like a 1 sheet of paper and kind of scribbled on it, didn't really know what was going on. So that's been better. And then our preserves have actually been awesome. We actually got a inspection by Southwest Florida Water Management back in the beginning of August, I believe. And they sent us a letter telling us that our preserves were less than 5% with exotics. I know that if they had done a testing last year, we probably would have been at 30% or 40% exotics. It was just so out of control. So that's something that's just really Mettauer's fixed, made it easier for us. The reports for the preserves literally are like Google mapping, where you can see where the crew walked through each area where it was sprayed, so you know physically that the work happened. So that's been great as well, and it's been a great tool to share with our residents. So that's all I have.